Well, everyone, Jawtooths again. Got another great video for you. Got the Cincinnati Eastern Railroad. We're in Peebles, Ohio right now, and they're switching the customer over here. They're switching McCoy Lumber. They got to pick up 3 loads and set off, I believe it's 6 empties. So let's see what we can film on this. Kind of hard to film over here. There's not very much access, but let's see what we can get from right here. Go ahead and start the video, son. Here we go. The train has just pulled up. Got a locomotive here at both ends. Got the SD 40-2 on this end, GP 15-1 on the other end. There's the loads they're going to pick up. Now they can't bring the 6-axle locomotive on this track. Only the Jeep goes on it. Really can't get a good shot here. I want to see if I can get a better shot somewhere. Too many trees in the way. A little bit of view here. All right, here we go. All right, here they come. Getting ready to couple onto these loads. I got to drag these loads out first, then put the empties in. I think it's getting ready to rain too. We had some sprinkles. If it starts raining, I won't be able to film this because I don't want to get soaked. Alright, gonna shove and tie onto them here. Tied onto them. There's the cars. Got 3-step. All right, here we go. Dropping 3-step and lifting it out. I'm rolling. I try not to film these guys much. I just want to film the train. I don't recognize this guy. I've never seen him before. And I know some railroaders don't like being filmed, so I try not to get them on video as much as possible. Alright, so they'll have to set those loads out on the main, and they'll come back with the empties and spot the empties. Alright, here they come. Bring the empties in. That's the conductor's car on the left. The train's run with just an engineer on them. The conductor goes in the car and does all the switching, driving alongside the car. My battery just went dead on my radio. I can't believe it. We'll go back about another half a car, that's it. right, that's it. Well, my battery just went dead on my radio. I gotta get my other radio out of the truck, and I'm gonna catch the train at another crossing. All they're gonna do is just, you can't see the rest of the work. They'll pull the locomotive out, hook it onto this train here with the loads. They do have I think about 6 loads that they picked up from Winchester Ag on the train also. So I believe they're gonna be running back westbound. So I'm gonna get them up here at a crossing somewhere. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, they're actually heading eastbound. I'm not really sure what all that they're doing. I guess they got some more work to do this way. So they're gonna be coming across the road here, Main Street in Peebles. Here's the crossing, and the locomotive on the other end is the one that's doing all the work. So they're shoving in this direction. Here they come. It's always hard to figure out how they do things. Lights haven't activated yet. So the engineer is on the engine on the other end. The conductor is on this end. It's kind of interesting. This is a top and tail. Somebody's thinking about running it. I'm not going to. Got the shaving haircut. That was sweet. That was pretty cool. Look at that Jeep working. Listen to it when it goes by. It sounds awesome. Milepost 72. You can see the mile marker on the left. I don't know what work they've got to still do over here, because they were switching yesterday all day. I don't know what's left. I thought they were done, but I guess not. Maybe they'll bring some more cars back with them. All right, there you go. Got a lot of traffic here for a small town like this. Everything's all backed up. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna see what else I can get into though. Thanks for watching.
Just got outlet up.
Okay, while they're doing some switching, let's have a look at downtown Peebles. Look at this cool looking building. see what that says up there. I can't tell what it says, but 1917. Just think of all the trains that building's seen. Oh, there's a music shop over there. And these buildings are pretty cool looking. Look at this. What's that say on top? Let's see. Davis and Nixon. That's interesting because Nixon is the name of the road, Nixon Avenue, that I filmed the trains going underneath. It's just on the east side of Peebles. I got a shot of that yesterday when the train was switching over that way, Nixon Avenue.
Sounds good.
Look at that building. And I did not know that Peebles had a town clock, and it's accurate too. See that? 12:22 or something. That's accurate. Right here at Main Street, and I don't know what this road is. Let's see if there's any sign over this way. Nope. Anyways, we're about a block down from the railroad crossing. It's just down that way. Look at that. Nice. They're doing some switching. They got a lot of cars. That red car's past the line. Look at that. Oh, there's no line there too. They got two lines. I'm not sure why they got two, but it's raining. I knew it was going to. Is that cool or what? Ah, but wait, there's more. There always is. All right, here they come, eastbound after doing some switching. I found a way to get over here to the siding. This is McCoy Lumber siding right here. Check it out. There's a road that actually goes here. I didn't even know it was there. Never got this shot before. This is cool looking. Got us a rock train. These cars are loaded with rock. We've also got 6 loads of grain. So it's a heavy train here. This is the switch for McCoy Lumber. That's a derail right there. If a car would roll uphill from this siding, it would derail right there. It wouldn't get on the main and cause a big derailment. Look at that, we got rock cars. There's loads of railroad ties, I forgot to mention that. This whole train is loaded. Except there's some storage cars on the rear, I just now noticed. Some flat cars back there. This is a good train. Check out those springs. You can tell it's loaded, it's a heavy one. There's the switch stand on the left, you can just barely see it. I'm in the rain. Look at all these cars. Got the end of train device on this one. And there's where they load the railroad ties at McCoy Lumber. They just set those off. I think it's 6 of them, I believe. All right, well, my camera doesn't like the rain. Thanks for watching, everyone. Pretty good day here on the railroad. Woo! Don't miss part 2. Oh, that telephone pole. I forgot about the telephone pole. Darn it. Well, they're probably gonna unload the combine down over the hill into that wagon. So I can't film that, I'm too far away. Big pile.